Oh, that was supposed to be scary. Yes, I have a HD video camera. How very cool is that, Because not only can I show off my extensive collection of video games, my flat screen TV and all of my discs, I can also move around to different locations in my room. Like this. And this. And like this. It also means that I don't have to just do my videos in my room like I am now. I can move around to different places, like go to the park, go to school, go to church, and I won't have to talk about my life anymore. Like, I can take it to my girlfriend's house, or I can take it to you, or I can take it to Audacious. I don't have to just talk about things that happen to me. Now you can share them with me.